yeah. I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take you on.
Good morning, guys. It's day 2 of that turn I'm doing for those for that tenant, and I just had to pick up a new over-the-range microwave. The one there, it's no good, so we're just going to replace it. And it's freezing today. It's like -14. It's really cold. Got cold quick here. So I'm just gonna go pick up the trailer again and head back to the unit. So we'll see you there. Get it! Alright guys, we're back at this unit. I picked up that microwave too. This one's gonna go away, and we'll get the new one in. So we're gonna do that now. Alright, the new one's over here. Vasani. We'll pop this guy open and see what's what. Alright guys, I think the hole for the power cord is going to work out. They have this bump out here. It's interesting, but anyway, so I've measured out for the new bolt holes from the top. I'm just going to drill those out, and this is the new bracket here, so should work out. Just going to drill these and try to get it in.
What I want, so I got nothing to prove. Staying motivated, teaching others what to do. I'm staying focused, my mind is so.
This is not an exterior vented one either. This is just one that circulates the air. I don't know why there's no exhaust for it, but it's not there, and he doesn't want to put one in, so let's do this.
You got one life to pop, thinking big, never small, cause you gotta want it all. When you finally get that call, you get ready, take it on, need it.
The bracket fell inside, look. It's supposed to be like that. All right, I'm gonna have to fish that out. I'll be back. All right guys, this is round 3.
They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now.
Okay. So that's finally in. It's a little harder than it should have been, but regardless, it's done. It's in. So satisfying. Look. Oh yeah. Okay, so now this is in. Everything's good. Just gonna finish putting it together, the inside. Need the rollie. Goes in there. Also Came with LED light, good. These are the filters here. Tenant has to just take them out and clean them every little while. All right, there you go. Everything's working. Just gonna circulate through the air like this, and then from there, I'm probably gonna just go through the bedrooms again and refresh my memory. I'm gonna go through one more time, check everything, and just start closing out my list. All right, guys, I just went through the unit again, so anything that is left is gonna be just drywall work, and I have the mud in here now, so I'm gonna mix them up. I have some sheetrock 90, just because I'm letting it stay overnight, so it's not a big deal. I don't need very much either, so. I just keep a little bag like this in my trailer, so I always have it. Just for little things like this. I'm also going to take this faucet apart and see if I can get it to move more better. There's some plumber's grease that I'll use. There wasn't much maintenance to do in here, which is nice, other than that microwave. All right, so we'll go into the rooms here. Just look around. I think that's going to be it for the drywall, which is nice. Okay, so I'm just going to caulk the things that I just saw that I missed. And then I'm going to put those switch covers, receptacle covers back on. And I also clean the light shades too, so I'll come back with you when that's all done. I don't want to sit here and bore you with me putting on receptacle covers and high speed, so I'll be back. Get it! Alright guys, so I took this faucet apart. It's pretty, lots of calcium in here. I'm just trying to work on cleaning that up. And once that's all cleaned out, I'll get my plumber's grease and lube this back up. I'll leave this up. Some plumber's grease. Before you can see that, this whole thing, like this is where it gets attached. It gets compresses underneath with this part, and that whole thing is moving as well. So, we're good now. All right, back to screwing on plate covers. The only thing I have left to do here today is I'm gonna replace the toilet seat. It's something I like to do because who wants to use a used toilet seat anyways? This is just a generic, it's not a slow close or anything. This one I like to put in slow close. I don't know, like a luxury item. People like them, so that's what I do. My phone always rings when I'm recording, so. It was the wife. She's just heading home. Must be here late. So, toilet seat's on. The other thing I did was I cleaned and replaced the vents here. And also the lights, the light covers. All nice and clean now. Pow! All right, the only thing left I have to do is to sand and paint. I'll do that tomorrow. And yeah, so we'll see you then. Take care. Get it.